Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x8007065e featured update failed to install, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you what is blocking this update. In most of the cases, it is a third-party antivirus. These antiviruses are very overprotective and thus cause the issue. So here's what you can do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the sorry right click, settings, go to apps, select installed apps, select by date installed or however you want to, and search for the antivirus which is causing the problem, and then uninstall it and uninstall all third-party antivirus programs on your system. It will not impact your computer. These days Windows security is good enough to protect your system. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. And how would you do that? We have a script for this, so I have shared the script in the description section of the video. Simply copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. This script will stop all services associated with Windows updates, delete its profile, delete the contents of the software distribution in cat2 folders, re-register all the DLLs, and then reset WinSock and then restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.